Today we're going to be looking at proper nouns. Now we all know a noun is a person, place, or thing, or animal, but a proper noun is a name of a person, place, thing, or animal. Just like you capitalize the beginning letter of your name when you write it, a proper noun also capitalizes the beginning letter of their name. So today we have some sentences, and we also have these green proper noun spots. What you're going to do is you're going to read the sentence and then drag a proper noun spot over top of the proper noun capital. So let's do the first one together. Bob liked the Cleveland Zoo. There are 3 proper nouns in this sentence because I have 3 proper noun spots. I'm going to click them and drag them to the proper noun capital. I know Bob is a proper noun because that's the name of a person. And I know Cleveland Zoo is the name of a proper noun because that's a place. So then that shows that there are 3 proper nouns in this sentence. Bob liked the Cleveland Zoo. As you go over to your scroll bar, you'll see a couple more that you get to do by yourself. Each proper noun spot down here shows you how many proper nouns are inside of the sentence. Read through it, find your proper nouns, and then highlight your capitals with the green proper noun spots. When you're all done, turn it into Google Classroom.